Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Google AI mode history on your phone, right? So you just want to open up your browser, guys. Whatever browser you have, open it up, go to google.com and ensure that you're signed into your Google account. Once you do, you will see the Google search box right here. Just simply click on the search icon with the star to the upper right. You can see these three icons here. You have the camera, the microphone, and you have the search with the icon here. That's for AI. You click that and it's going to take you into the Google AI mode on your phone. Now, what you want to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and click the burger menu with the star on the upper left. You click that, it's going to take you into this section here where you can see your search history. Now, how you delete it? There's two ways, just like the web version, right, on your computer. Click and hold on any one of these search, then click the three dots to the right. And here you have delete, you hit delete again, and it's done. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. Or you can click the search, or you can click the settings icon on the upper right next to the search thread box. Click the settings gear and you can see right now that it shows the option see your search history. You click that and now you're into the search history, and if you scroll down you will be able to see loads of different searches, but you don't want that, right? You want your AI search mode history. So click the search icon right here. You see have the delete button, then to the left you have the calendar and the search. So click the search icon and just select AI mode, then click on apply, and you'll be able to see all your AI mode search is going to populate right here. And from here, you just want to go ahead now and just hit the delete these results right here, or delete individual searches right here. So that's how you will be able to basically do it. So whatever it is, guys, if you want to delete it, you can easily delete it from your phone, guys. Very easy and very simple.